when you feel unfamiliar sounds in our vehicle. You need to find something wrong. Introducing the noise scope, a device that effectively identifies the cause of unfamiliar noises in vehicle. The noise scope utilizes vibration signals to track the location of noise and abnormal sounds, enabling effective tracing of noise sources and irregularities. Basic principle of tracking we developed and applied. A simple tracking method using time delays on complex-shaped vehicle bodies. The system consists of a tablet-based portable measuring device, which is intuitive and easy to access data collected by sensors. Introducing the system configuration for various software features. Device configuration, data collection and analysis. It's designed for easy use with tablet cameras and Bluetooth OBD devices, ensuring convenience. With the tablet camera, you can capture images to provide customers with clear location reports. You can easily access the manual and instructions for the noise scope on our website to make it more user-friendly. Now, your car is ready. Look at the noise around you for a better life.